Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Alpari International. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Alpari International is an FSC-regulated Forex broker that offers flexible accounts, plenty of educational resources, and MetaTrader support. This broker was founded in 1998 and has secured the trust of more than 2 million clients worldwide. There are currently 8 head offices around the world, and Alpari has grown into one of the largest global brands in the Forex industry. As an Alpari client, you can trade a variety of Forex pairs, precious metals and CFDs, and there are more than 250 tradable instruments to choose from. You can start trading with as little as $5 when you open an account with Alpari, and your trades can be leveraged by up to 1,000 times your initial deposit amount. With Alpari, reduced negative slippage rates are guaranteed, and requote rates are incredibly low, even when the markets are volatile. Not only is Alpari a great option for beginners, but we also recommend this broker if you are interested in copy trading, or if you would like to be a strategy manager or other traders. Alpari offers a user-friendly, simplistic website that is easy to navigate. You can find out more about the company, their trading conditions, the copy trading features, and access educational resources by simply selecting an option from the menu bar. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the homepage, you will find lists of topics that you can choose from instead of using the menu bar. You will also find detailed information about company policies, licenses, and regulations under this section of the homepage. To find out more information about the instruments offered by Alpari, hover your cursor over the Trading Conditions tab on the menu bar and select the Trading Accounts Comparison option. This will show you a table that compares the trading conditions of the different accounts offered by Alpari, and if you scroll to the Trading Instruments, you will see the available instruments for each account. Alpari currently offers 48 currency pairs. Alpari's accounts can be used with 2 of the most popular trading platforms, which are MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. The MetaTrader platforms are renowned for having advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and more. Alternatively, if you've used MetaTrader before and you would like to try something different, Alpari offers a proprietary mobile trading platform. You can use the Alpari application to easily manage your trading accounts, trade your favorite instruments, and monitor all your trades from one screen. You will also be able to create accounts using the mobile application, and your app can be synchronized with MetaTrader 4. Alpari offers standard, micro, pro, and ECN accounts that are suitable for all types of traders, from beginners and copy traders to retail traders and professionals. All accounts can be funded using US dollars, euros, Great British pounds, or the Nigerian naira. The lowest minimum deposit requirement is $5 on the MetaTrader 4 micro account. The standard accounts are commission-free with instant execution guaranteed. These accounts can also be converted to swap-free accounts for Muslim clients, and spreads start at 1.2 pips. Both accounts have a maximum of 100 pending orders at any given time, and the MetaTrader 4 standard account, as well as the ECN accounts, all allow an unlimited number of orders. The leverage limits on Alpari's accounts range from 1 to 300 to 1 to 1,000, and the MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 ECN account is the only account that charges commission fees of $1.5 per lot per side. Alpari's micro account is always displayed in cents. A deposit of $10 will appear as 1,000 cents in the account. This simplified trading environment allows traders to seize opportunities and hone their trading skills before venturing larger amounts of money. As such, the micro account is perfect for traders who are new to the markets, or traders who want to practice their trading skills. The Alpari Pro account has no commissions or requotes, allowing traders to fully execute their trading strategies in more risky conditions. To this end, the account provides lower spreads, higher liquidity, and fast execution. As such, the Pro account is perfect for professional traders, institutional traders, or hedge fund managers. You can use 2 of the 4 accounts as demo accounts, and ECN swap-free accounts are only available for MetaTrader 4. Creating a demo account with Alpari will only take a few minutes, and it is a great way to familiarize yourself with their trading environment and platforms. You can create an account with Alpari in only a few minutes, and once you've completed the online registration, you'll be trading in no time. Firstly, launch the Alpari homepage, and then click on the Register button. Enter your full name and choose your country of residence. Next, enter your phone number and email address, and request for the one-time PIN to be sent to your phone so that you can activate your account. Enter the PIN in the field provided, and click on the Register Now button. You'll want to then verify your account and email address, and once your account is approved, you can simply fund your account and start trading. Once you have registered your account with Alpari, you will be redirected to the Alpari client zone. What you can do from there is simply choose your preferred platform, download and install your preferred platform, and then log in with the credentials provided. And as easy as that, we're in. This is MetaTrader 4 with Alpari International. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your market watch. And at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you have never used the MetaTrader platforms before, you can head over to Alpari's YouTube channel, which provides in-depth platform tutorials to help you get started. We always recommend finding a broker that provides educational resources if you are new to trading. There is a steep learning curve to trading, so it is important to have access to resources in case you get stuck somewhere along the way, or if you don't know the basics of trading to begin with. Alpari is a great option for beginners because they provide plenty of trading guides, tips for successful trading, guides on Forex trading strategies, and more. There are also online workshops and webinars that are conducted by trading experts, and you can read the articles provided to gain more insight into Forex trading and what it's like to be a trader. Alpari most recently won an award at the Global Forex Awards of 2020 for being the most transparent broker. In 2017, they were voted the Forex broker with the best mobile trading experience, and they also won awards for being the most innovative broker and the most reliable broker. Overall, with 2 million clients trading on Alpari's servers, you can rest assured that you will be trading in active markets with deep liquidity and many opportunities to make a profit. Alpari guarantees low slippage, minimal requotes, and instant trade executions, so you will always be ahead of the game with this broker. Alpari International offers a diverse and streamlined trading platform that caters to a variety of traders' needs. The company's educational tools make it easy for first-timers to begin trading with confidence, while it is also a great place for seasoned traders to hone their skills. Alpari offers some of the most favorable trading conditions on the market, as well as innovative online technologies, trading instruments and services, which have been carefully developed by IT specialists. Alpari's mobile application is supported in 9 different languages, and their trading platforms are broadly compatible and offer streamlined services for a range of different betting options. You can potentially also earn up to $10,000 with Alpari's referral program, so why not open an account today and bring some friends with you if you are interested. And that is our overview of Alpari International. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.